Atuloy ng pista sa Archangel Saint Michael, the Archangel, Saint Gabriel ug Saint Raphael. Aduna kitay tulo ka mga findings ug tulo usab ka solusyon batok sa mga problema sa nasod nga Pilipinas. In honor of the three archangels, Saint Michael, Saint Gabriel, and Saint Raphael. Number one, the error of the former President Rodrigo Rua Duterte. Ang error ni past President Rodrigo Duterte, iyahang gibanhaw, iyahang gibawi ang history. The past President Ferdinand Marcos was proven in history nga mao'y nakaguba sa nasod nga Pilipinas. But when he assumed power, he neutralized the Filipino nation and reverted, gibaliktad, nabalik ang history ug giawardan ang diktador sa Pilipinas ang number one problem sa graph corruption, CFM. Gipasidunggan o gilubong ngadto sa libingan ng mga bayani. That was the first error of Rodrigo Rua Duterte. Moralism. What is right is right. What is wrong is wrong. Number 2 point. Be careful, Sara. Be careful, Sara Duterte Carpio. Be careful, Vice President. Kaya nabiktima ka na ni BBM karon magpabiktima na sad ka ni Aimee Marcos. Be careful. The role of Aimee Marcos is not to defend you and the Filipino people. Her role is only to neutralize the Filipino nation. Neutralize lang. In other words, she is not pro-Sara, but she defends her brother by way of not neutralizing. So be careful. The dead image of Marcos has already been put into the annals of the Philippine history. Be careful, Sarah. Be careful. Be careful. Number 3. Kining hitabo karon sa nasod nga Pilipinas. The only solution nga duha ra gyud ka tawo nga mo'y mo tambag ni Mr. BBM to resign. Duha ra gyud. Number 1, mao si Juan Ponce Enrile nga kanhi Justice Secretary og nahimong Defense Secretary ni President Ferdinand Idralen Marcos. O kini siya may join ni Fidel Ramos for the outright resignation of FM, the dictator, in 1986. Now history repeats. Nahimo na kini siya karon nga Chief Legal Advisor ni Mr. BBM. So, ang decision karon sa nason, if Juan Ponce Enrile is really a heroic person, then he can judge. Muhatag siya og final legal advice to Mr. BBM. Ug ang iyang legal advice mao, pangayog pasaylo, You repent, accept the truth, and you have to step down. Maur ka na. In that manner, the life of Juan Ponce Enrile na credit niya sa IDSA 1 will be given due credit sa IDSA 3. But if Enrile cannot render proper advice to the President, your life, Mr. Juan Ponce Enrile, is equivalent to zero. Zero ka, zero ka, zero ka. And finally, former Chief Justice Lucas Binamen. When you serve as the Executive Secretary of the President, do not think that it is your personal capacity. It is as if you bring the Judicial Department annexed under the Executive Department. Dako ka na nga pasipala sa three pillars, independent pillars of the government. And the people tolerated with hopes nga sa imong pagka-Chief Justice makahatag kag legal advice. If you cannot advise the President kung dili ka makahatag og legal guidance, this government bagsak. Executive Department bagsak. Legislative Department bagsak. Judicial Department bagsak. Nasakit ang Pilipinas. Mao nga di na mabangbang. Rest in peace, Philippines. RIP Philippines. And the divine government shall resurrect this country. Goodbye. 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 RIP Philippines. Divine government to resurrect. Santos, Santos, Santos.